OdinSchool's YouTube channel. This is your go-to series for decoding the tech roles at top companies and helping you land on them. Today, we are zooming in on a role where data doesn't just inform decisions, it safeguards lives. We are talking about the data analyst position at Axis Max Life Insurance. Let's start to get knowing about the company. Axis Max Life Insurance is a joint venture between Axis Bank and Max Financial Services with over 400 branches. Axis Max Life protects millions of lives, and now they are building a tech-first future with data at the core. On Glassdoor, Axis Max Life Insurance has a rating of 4.3 out of 5, with 84% of employees recommending the company. And employees praise the work culture, learning environment, and leadership support. And coming to ambition boards, it scores a 4 on 5 with strong rating for career growth, training programs, and job security. Coming to the compensation and benefits, they are rated a 4 on an average on both Glassdoor and ambition box, indicating a competitive package. It's where financial security meets modern digital transformation and where your skills can help shape meaningful impact. Axis Max Life is hiring for a data analyst role based in Gurgaon with a CTC of up to Rs 8 lakhs per annum. This role is ideal for professionals with 1 to 2 years of experience and also have hands-on expertise in Power BI and Python. You will be joining a fast-moving team that turns raw data into real decisions in a business where every number could impact a life. Axis Max Life is looking for immediate joiners with solid expertise in Power BI and Python, a knack for spotting patterns in complex data sets, and also clear communication and team collaboration skills, and a mindset that's both analytical and business aware. If you have built dashboards, written automation scripts, or worked on data transformation, you're already on the right track. So at Axis Max Life, your work as a data analyst will include analyzing and interpreting data to identify key trends, creating interactive dashboards and reports using Power BI, and also writing and maintaining Python scripts for automation and analysis, and which also includes cleaning and transforming raw data sets. And you will be working with cross-functional teams to deliver actionable insights. This is not just data crunching, it's business intelligence that drives financial decisions. So here's why this opportunity stands out. Working at the intersection of insurance and innovation, you will get a real exposure to how data shapes critical business functions. And also join a brand backed by two industry giants that are Axis Bank and Max Group, and build an environment that values accuracy, speed, and clarity, and also earn up to 8 lakhs per annum while making a real impact in the financial space. So coming to the 5 tips on how you can crack this role, my tip number 1 would be master Power BI. With real business dashboards, Axis Max Life relies on Power BI to drive reporting and insights across teams. You need to show you can visualize data in a way that speaks to business stakeholders. And how can you gain that? So firstly, you have to build 2 to 3 interactive dashboards using real world data. For example, insurance claims, policy performance, etc. Use Power BI features like slicers, filters, DAX measures, and drill down charts. Publish your dashboards on Power BI service. And my bonus suggestion is to create a sample insurance claim analysis dashboard to show domain relevance. Here's tip number 2. Write clean, business-oriented Python code. They expect you to write Python scripts for data cleaning, analysis, and automation. It's not about fancy ML models, it's about practical scripts that work. So focus on Pandas, NumPy, and Matplotlib or Seaborn for EDA. Write Python scripts that automate repetitive reporting tasks, for example, monthly claim summaries, and practice transforming messy Excel or CSV data into clean data frames. Make this a practice, upload your codes to GitHub with a clean README and sample outputs. Especially Odin grads, upload your capstone projects to your Git, which makes you shine a little extra. Coming to tip number 3, think like an analyst, not just a coder. They need analysts who can translate numbers into insights. Someone who can answer what should the business do next. To do that, you should practice framing business questions like why are claims increasing in Q3? Use storytelling with data. If you have been following our YouTube channel, you may already know how to do that. You should annotate charts, highlight anomalies, and recommend next steps. Solve real life case studies in the insurance or banking sectors. Coming to tip number 4, collaborate and communicate effectively. This is a cross-functional role. You will be working with product teams, finance, and operations. You must explain your findings to non-technical people. Like you can do that in record a 2 to 3 minute walkthrough of your dashboard or analysis as if you were presenting to a business stakeholder. Practice simplifying technical words. Join mock interviews or data storytelling communities like Data Talks or local meetups. Showcase these communication skills in your resume and interview by walking through one of your projects. Coming to the last but the most important tip, be ready to deliver from day one. They are looking for immediate joiners who are job ready, not just learners. Get familiar with insurance domain basics like policy types, claims, and underwriting. Build at least one end-to-end project which involves data cleaning, analysis, dashboard, and insights. If you were a part of our data science course, you already had your hands-on experience in this area. So brush up on Excel, SQL, Python, Power BI, the classic combo for any analytics role. Mention your availability clearly and show you are already in a position to hit the ground running, like you will be joining the next minute. So if you are ready to turn your technical skills into business impact, the data analyst role at Axis Max Life Insurance could be our next big move. As always, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to OdinSchool because your dream role could be just one scroll away. Thank you.